Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. My name is Sherry Mark. I am here to give you a tutorial about some basics Kiswahili things that you might be interested to know about. As you know very well, I am a Kenyan, born there, and having originated from that place, I speak fluent Kiswahili, and I am going to help you in your Kiswahili skills just in case you're planning to move there or you're planning to go there for holidays. You can use my skills. So let's move on. Now, Kiswahili. Let's say you want to say how are you? This is what you say. Habari yako. Habari yako. Habari yako. Now, if you want to answer this question, let's say you want to say I am fine. This is how you say it. Mzuri sana. Habari yako. Mzuri sana. You can put some bit of flavor in it and say mzuri sana, like I'm fine, thanks so much. So you just say mzuri sana, or you can only say mzuri. Like when somebody asks you habari yako, you can just say mzuri. Or there is still another form of saying this, and this is what you hear mostly with the tourists. So most of them say jambo. 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 If somebody tells you jambo, you just answer jambo. Habari yako. How are you? Habari yako. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Mzuri sana. Mzuri sana. Well, if you want to ask somebody, how was your day? This is how you ask. Siku yako imekuwaje? Siku yako imekuwaje? Or you can also say this. Excuse me. Siku yako imekuwaje? Siku yako imekuwaje? Or you can say habari ya siku yako. Habari ya siku yako. Or you can also say umekuwa na siku njema. Umekuwa na siku njema. There are so many versions of asking somebody, but the easiest one is siku yako imekuwaje. Siku yako imekuwaje. Now, if you want to answer this question, this is how you put it. Let's say, for example, you had a beautiful day or a fantastic day. This is what you say. Nimekuwa na siku nzuri. Nimekuwa na siku nzuri. Nimekuwa na siku nzuri. Nimekuwa na siku nzuri. My day was nice. Now, let's say you want to ask somebody, how old are you? This is what you say. Una miaka ngapi? Una miaka ngapi? This is what you answer. For example, if you are 20 years old. Nina miaka 20. Nina miaka 20. Nina is me. Miaka are the years. 20 is 20. Nina miaka 20. Now, if you want to ask somebody, where do you live? This is what you say. Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? For example, you want to tell somebody, I live in Nairobi. This is what you say. Ninaishi Nairobi. Ninaishi Nairobi. Now, let's say you want to ask somebody, where do you come from? This is what you say. Umetoka wapi? Wewe mzaliwa wa wapi? Or umetoka wapi? You can say nimetoka Nairobi. Or mimi ni mzaliwa wa Nairobi. Or if you want to say I am Kenyan, this is what you say. Mimi ni Mkenya. Mimi ni Mkenya. Mimi is me. Mimi. Me. Mimi ni Mkenya. Let's say you want to say you. You are Kenyan. This is what you say. Wewe ni Mkenya. Wewe is referring to the other person. Wewe ni Mkenya. Wewe ni Mkenya. Now, let's say you want to know about, this is how you tell like a girl, how you call a girl. A girl is called msichana. Msichana. And a boy, mvulana. Mvulana. Your parents, wazazi wangu. Wazazi wangu. Wangu is the possessive form, like my parents. Wazazi is the noun, wazazi, the parents. Wangu is the possessive form, wazazi wangu. If you have one parent, this is what you say. Mzazi, mzazi wangu. Mzazi wangu. Now, let's say you have a brother. This is what you call a brother. Ndugu yangu. Ndugu yangu. Ndugu is the brother, the noun form, the brother. Yangu is my brother. My brother. Now, your sister. This is what you call a sister. Dada. Dada. Dada yangu. My sister. Dada yangu. Dada is the sister. Wangu or yangu is my sister. Now, if you have kids, this is what you say. Watoto. Watoto. Watoto wangu. Watoto wangu. Wangu is the possessive form and watoto is the noun, the kids. If you only have one kid, this is what you say. Mtoto. Mtoto. Mtoto wangu. Mtoto wangu. Now, if you want to call a woman, this is what you say. Mke. Mke. Or mke is wife. Or you can say bibi. Bibi. Let's say you want to say that's my wife. This is what you say. Bibi yangu. Bibi yangu. If you have really noticed, Kiswahili is very similar to Arab. And I remember in Arabic, you have words like habibi, which means love or my love or something. Now, we have bibi, which is the meaning of a wife, which is also similar to your love. So you can see the connection of Kiswahili and Arabic. So this is what we share sometimes in Kiswahili, and you will most probably see or hear that very often. There are some words that are really, really common and very much related to the Arabic language. So, bibi yangu. Bibi is the wife. Now, when it comes to husband, this is what you call a husband. Mume. Or bwana. Bwana yangu. Bwana yangu. Or mume wangu. Mume wangu. Now, if you have an auntie, this is what you call auntie. Shangazi, shangazi, shangazi wangu, shangazi wangu. Now, the opposite of auntie, uncle. Your uncle, this is what you say. Mjomba, mjomba, mjomba wangu, mjomba wangu. Now, for example, I'm going to teach you counting 1 to 10 in Kiswahili, and I hope you're going to follow me up and get what we are learning. Now, this is how you say 1 to 10. I'm going to go very slow, step to step. 1, moja, moja. 2, mbili, mbili. 3, tatu, tatu. 4, nne, nne. 5, tano, tano. 6, sita, sita. 7, saba, saba. 8, nane, nane. 9, tisa, tisa. 10, kumi, kumi. Let's say, for example, you want to say I have 10 shillings. As you well know, in Kenya we use shillings. The currency is shillings. So let's say, for example, you have like 10 shillings. This is what you say. Niko na shilingi kumi. Niko na shilingi kumi. Niko, ni, me, possessive, na shilingi, I have shillings, kumi, 10, kumi. Niko na shilingi kumi. Let's say, for example, you want to ask somebody, where are you going to? This is what you say. Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Let's say, for example, you want to tell somebody, I'm going to Nairobi. This is what you say. Ninaenda Nairobi. Ninaenda Nairobi. Or if you're traveling to Nairobi, this is what you say. Ninasafiri Nairobi. Ninasafiri Nairobi. Kiswahili is such a beautiful and easy language. I so much love Kiswahili, and I can really enjoy speaking Kiswahili more than I do other languages. And I feel Kiswahili is really smooth and really fun to speak. However, not very careful. The Kenyan Kiswahili or the Kenyan Nairobi and other reserved places, Kiswahili is different. Not careful, because the people from the coast speak some other kind of Kiswahili. They speak a more and more better form of Kiswahili, more fluent and more grammatically. But us from the other side of the country, the Nairobi surroundings and the other reserved places, we speak almost similar or almost same to ourselves, excluding the ones who are from the coast. So just in case you ask yourself why, this is the reason as to why I had such Kiswahili sessions and we are going to continue with this. Just in case you are interested to know about the Kiswahili or the Swahili form of the coast region, then I am apparently not going to help you in this because I don't come from the coast region. That's why I only have that Kiswahili or Swahili form, and this is what I can offer you. Thanks for watching me again, and thanks for even watching other videos, and keep sharing this message, like the videos and subscribe to my channel. Asanteni sana, which means thank you. Asanteni sana, na majaliwa ya Mungu tutaonana wakati mwingine. Muwe na siku njema na muwe na jioni njema from all over the world. Asanteni, barikiweni, bye.